Hi viewers, welcome to another episode of Stay Awesome Van Life, the second date with Beck.
Our most controversial couple.
Forget married at first sight, or father wants a wife. Here's the van life version you'll love.
Lost around already.
Without all the drama.
I'm gonna pour my drink on her. I'll tell you right now. Shut up! Don't let me start. I'm just saying, I'm asking honestly. Oh my god!
Oh, forget the red wine, grab some Mountain Dew or a coffee and sit down and watch yourself a romantic van life video from the beautiful Gold Coast. For now, enjoy the Swell Sculpture Festival.
There's the sign. Currumbin.
Now forget all those experts on all those dating shows. We did it ourselves. Have you got a hot date today?
Look like it.
Lost around already.
Beautiful. Gorgeous. Thank you. Right here down the end, please.
The paparazzi have been driving Beck crazy since the last video.
Currumbin. And there's my co-pilot. And there's me. And there's my co-pilot. There's me.
Here's the bridge.
There we go, yeah.
Oh wow, beautiful.
Oh, it looks nice, doesn't it?
Wow.
Oh, it's a perfect day.
Oh.
I have a bright idea. After this, we're going to go in search of the Gold Coast Yeti. To do that, we have to head to the Springbrook hinterland.
We got the film crew here with all their different cameras and everything. But I got the supermodel, so I'm right. Hey, I got the walking sculpture. So you get an idea how busy it is. Look at that. Some really good food here too. Really nice food.
And some really clever live entertainment. These guys were hilarious. I think they were sort of half actors, half contortionists, the way they were carrying their act together. Look at this guy. Woohoo! Oh, I'd love to be able to do that. Beck asked me what I was planning for this video, and I told her I'd look into it.
For best sculpture on the beach.
That's a head underneath the
It's big, isn't it? See, I got the model with me, see?
There you go.
Yeah, so you got an advantage. This is excellent, isn't it?
Yeah.
You enjoying
I
it?
didn't expect this. Yeah.
No.
Now, finding a park for a very popular location like Currumbin when there's a festival is very difficult.
Oh, there's a park that's disabled car park. Actually, technically, I could use that today. I've got a torn muscle in my chest. Sculpture Festival it is. Swell Sculpture Festival.
That's why it's
Yeah. Oh, look at that. All the boards ready to hire.
This is our park up for the day.
This is great, isn't it?
Oh my god, it's beautiful.
Oh, that was perfect.
So we have absolute central festival accommodation on the beach. Added bonus, we have the coolest parking spot.
So guys, this is a really cool day. I love where we've got this spot. It's just absolutely awesome. Beck's enjoying it. She's showing me her pet bunny.
The bunny.
The bunny.
Yeah.
Gonna have that for dinner later on. Yeah. So how's date 2 going?
Very well.
There we go. Very well again.
Yes.
That's amazing, isn't it, eh?
Only just the beginning.
Yeah, exactly.
There you go.
Oh, thanks, Beck.
Beck could see I was hungry after looking at a rabbit.
Beck, thanks for shouting lunch.
You're welcome.
What are we having?
That's Spanish paella.
Yeah?
Yeah. A vegetarian one.
A vegetarian one?
Yeah, it
Oh,
looks
you're
like.
making me happy.
It looks like. Yeah. I
Yeah.
want to try it because
Yeah.
I never tried one with vegetarian.
And what's the drink you got?
This is lemon,
Lemon.
ice lemon. Yeah.
Homemade.
Homemade.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Well, let's tuck in. Sorry, everyone. We've got to go and eat.
Hungry.
Yummy.
Yummy.
That looks so nice. Oh, I can't wait.
Supposed to put lemon.
A bit of Zumba, and we're going to look for some more sculptures. There's so many to see.
Bec's getting ready. We're going to look at some sculptures, eh, Beck?
Yeah, let's go. Yeah.
Look good, don't they? Little tiny homes. I think Beck's found Bitcoin on the beach. Hey? Beck?
Someone's shoes.
Lost around already.
We're now heading inland 35 kilometres to the Springbrook National Park, and we're going to investigate this mysterious fable of the Yeti. I must admit I'm a skeptic. But anyway, keep our eyes open, see if there's any clues. There are clues on YouTube. There's about 7 years of videos by guys, 3 or 4 guys that are really into this. I don't know why, but anyway, we'll see if there's any merit. 40,000 years ago, that Australia was populated by megafauna. That's giant kangaroos, giant wombats. Now, the local history of this posits the view that the Yeti is one of the relatives of these megafauna. Wombats the size of rhinos, marsupial lions, giant kangaroos that would tower over the current mob. Question, did they all disappear?
Come through. See, we'll give them a wave and they'll wave back. He didn't wave back.
Didn't even see.
Rude.
He probably not even looking.
Mr. Rudy.
Yeah.
No one behind us, it's good. I like these timber bridges. Well, look at this, guys. How skinny is this road? It's only one way. Whoa.
We should have bring the gallon. We can get some spring water here.
Oh, look at this. They're getting the spring water.
Yeah.
Oh, they are too.
You wanna fill it up or buy?
Check findspring.com for one near you.
Nice little novelty thing to do.
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't even know you could do that. So Beck knows how to open the door and everything now. And we're getting spring water from a spring water fountain at Springbrook, aren't we?
We have to recycle this.
Yeah. Some genuine spring water. Yeah, that one. Don't use the other one.
This one?
Yeah, don't use that black
What a
one.
new one.
Yeah, we can
Is
empty the
this
water.
usable?
Yeah, that's usable.
Oh, okay.
Oh, this will be good, Beck. So over here, these guys are filling me up, and we're going to fill up too. Sounds good. All right. Beck's thirsty. She wants some water bad.
No, I just want
Wants
to.
water
I just want
bad.
to finish it so I can put some more.
Hopefully Bigfoot didn't use the spring as a toilet. Companies like Coca-Cola have their eyes on this water. They want to bottle it and sell it, but there's a big outcry. For now, we get it straight from nature.
Beck's got some spring water. We've just filled all our bottles up with that natural spring water. But the tank and
Really good.
the
It's so clean.
yeah,
Yeah.
tank and the van's full. So yeah, but anyway, it's great, isn't it? Bit of a find.
Maybe next we'll find Bigfoot.
We've got the Yeti Bigfoot.
Fair point, but nobody's calling my office and saying that they saw Bigfoot.
Well,
Not yet, they aren't.
Bigfoot seems to be a tourist attraction.
Oh, this is different. It's skinny all different.
One way.
Pretty skinny road. Oh, this is different. Yeah, skinny all different behind. You're gonna have
One
to
way.
wait. Pretty skinny road. I'll show you something I can do here, because it's like this. See how we're doing this? If you pass me the camera. Gee, look at those people living there.
For sale. Your parking is waiting for you.
What's that?
Your parking.
Yeah. Oh, that's nice, isn't it?
The rainforest.
No broken glass on the ground, no? Oh, that's great. No glass on the ground? All looking good. The Yowie's back. There he is on there, look.
The Bigfoot
The Bigfoot.
is up on the top.
So we're going to look at a waterfall now, Beck.
Yeah,
Exciting?
exciting, yeah.
Yeah.
You're here too.
Australia is an amazing place. Where else can you jump in a van and travel back to the dawn of time?
Yeah.
Hiding place.
Huh? Yeah. Oh, look at this. It's so nice. You're going to have another look, eh? Unauthorised entry, please. Taking a selfie, get likes, not fines. That is incredible, Ben. Hey? Yeah. Great, isn't it?
Well, that was the end of another perfect day. Perfect date. Perfect van life. Back to the van now we head. And look at that. Sunsets and rainbows. That's what van life's about, isn't it? And say goodnight to Bigfoot. I hope he sleeps well. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like the video. Share it with your friends, and stay awesome.